stroke. Okay? Putter to the string, neck to the putter, hands drop, shoulder, one potato.
One potato.
Let it go.
One potato.
Let it swing. Okay? Right here, at this line, right where I'm drawing, that's where your beginning is. Okay? Now one potato. When you get to the sharp note of the whistle, the putter is right back here again. Okay, that means your timing is perfect. Go do that.
One potato.
Okay, go ahead.
One potato.
Okay. Put it back, leave it alone. Right. Okay, now let it go. It crosses that line right on the sharp note, and that means your timing is perfect. If it's late, you're going to be short. If it's early, you're going to be long. So don't bring it. Okay, go ahead and make a stroke.
What do you mean of late?
If you go, that's late. Okay, that's early. Okay, if you're late, you're short. If you're long, if you're early, you're long. Don't ever be early. Don't ever be late.
He said going that way.
Perfect. Okay. All right, now be late. Right, short. Then it'd be early.